Hello all, welcome again to our YouTube channel, All Things With Us, and welcome again for another amazing video. So as you can see here, this is the before of the bed. You can see it's a metallic bed, but it has some wooden parts, that is the legs, and I'm going to be transforming it in this video today. So make sure to watch the video till the end so that you can fully understand all the steps used in this video. So the first thing that we had to do is disassemble the bed. As you can see, we have already disassembled the bed, and now we are going to be doing some calculations on the modification where we need to do some adjustment or modification, add some parts and everything else. So after getting all the measurements, now I'm just cutting the pieces of wood that I normally go with, the ones that I normally use to do the modification. I'm going to be cutting them into sizes and then start the transformation process. Anyway, if you're new here, feel much welcome. If you're already a subscriber, thank you for always coming back, watching our videos, liking them and commenting on them. I really do appreciate your continued support. And if this is your first time clicking on our video, feel much welcome to our channel. Feel free to subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever we upload new videos like this and more. So after cutting all the pieces of wood, now I'm going to be drilling some holes through these metallic parts of the bed so that I can attach some pieces of wood on them. And this is part of the modification. But if you watch the video, just keep watching the video so that everything will make sense as you keep watching the progress, because I'm explaining using the video, and also where I see fit to explain using words, I just tell you what I'm doing. Like here, I'm just going to be drilling some holes that I'm going to be using to pass the nails through and attach them to the nail them to the pieces of wood. And yeah, and that is what I'm basically going to be doing, because I need to have some pieces of wood on these frames so that I can also staple the pins, also nail the plywood on it and start making the design. So yeah, that is what I'm basically going to be doing. And the materials that you need for this transformation is these pieces of wood. I normally use 2x1s mostly in my videos. I also use nails, and I normally also use 3mm plywood for the wooden part. That is the most the basic transformation of the bed, because you need to make the frame before starting making the design. So those are the basic tools, materials. And the tools that I normally use are drills. I normally use a hammer. Also I use a circular saw, that is to cut the pieces of wood. And this is what I was telling you, the holes that I was drilling, I use them to pass these nails through and then attach it and nail it to the piece of wood, as you can see there, so that now when I attach the plywood, I can easily nail the plywood on the frame and start doing the modification. Yeah, I hope everything makes sense now. Anyway, if this is the kind of videos that you like or content that you like, you can visit our channel. We have a variety of videos that we normally post. We normally do bed transformation, makeovers videos, DIYs, and many more in our channel. You can visit our channel and watch more of our content there. And if you haven't liked this video till this far, kindly do so. Like the video, comment on it, tell me what you think about the whole process of this bed transformation. Now that I have the frame, as you can see, I'm going to be also doing the same thing on the headboard and keep doing this modification until I'm done. And I'm going to be showing you all the steps that I'm going to be taking while doing this transformation. And now you can see that my plywoods are fit there perfectly. As you can see, now it's easier for me to attach the plywood onto the frame so that I can be able to make the design that what the client wanted. The other thing that I did was cutting this design or these metallic parts using this grinder. As you can see, I'm going to be cutting it so that at least it can give me a room to modify the headboard. So yeah, I'm going to be cutting it and then continue with the modification. As you can see,
Rage on that beat, going crazy.
after that, the other thing that I'm going to be doing is adjusting the height of the bed or the headboard. As you can see, I made that frame and then I raised the headboard. Using it, I'm going to be raising the headboard into a standard height of the headboard, as you can see, and I'm going to be attaching it there. After attaching it there, I'm going to be doing some little modification that I'm going to be showing you. I'm repeating the same process as I did to the lower side of the bed, drilling some holes through the metallic parts and then attaching the piece of wood. And yeah, after that, I'm going to be attaching the plywood on it. And then after attaching the plywood on it, I'm going to start doing the transformation or making the design that or drawing the design that I wanted. And then I'm going to be showing you all that just in this video. So keep watching the video so that everything will make sense. That is, if you want to try something like this on your own. Comment on my videos, ask anything that you want, and I'll get back to you. And yeah, I'm done attaching the plywood. I usually use also nails to attach the plywood onto the frame. As you can see, I've drawn the design, drilled the holes that I'm going to be using, and I'm going to be showing you what I'm going to be doing. Now I'm going to be attaching the foam onto the frame. As you can see, also make the holes and the cuttings. As you can see, that is the design the client wanted. And yeah, I normally use a drill to do all this and a blade to cut the foam and a drill to make those holes that I'm going to be using during the transformation, because these holes are required to make this design, because I'm going to be passing some buttons through them. And this is the drill bit that I use to make those holes. Yeah, and then after that, I'm also going to be doing the same thing on the lower side. As you can see, attaching the foam onto the frame, and I normally use contact glue to attach the foam onto the frame. And this is the color navy blue, the fabric color that the client wanted. And then after that, we are going to be using these buttons to make this design, as you can see. And I'll be using this this needle to pass the strings through the fabric here and through the headboard up to the back. And then I'm going to be stapling the strings onto the frame. So I'm just going to be passing this needle there so that the string can go back to the headboard, as you can see, like this. And you just pull it and then you staple the string onto the frame. That is basically what I'm going to be doing. And after that, I'm going to be starting covering the rest of the bed and continue making the design. So if you haven't liked this video till this far, kindly do so, comment on it, and keep on watching so that we can see the final reveal on how this bed will turn out. And I really do appreciate your continued support. Thank you for watching my videos. and make sure to tell me in the comment section what you think about this transformation, and I will definitely see you in my next videos. See you.